Want to remove a payment card from your Zara app? Let's walk through the steps. First, open your Zara app and go to your profile by tapping the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now select payment methods. You'll see a list of your saved cards. Choose the card you want to remove and click the option to delete it. If you can't remove the card from the app, try logging into the Zara website on the desktop. The process would be similar and you will be able to delete your card from there as well. Make sure to update your payment methods with your current cards before removing old ones. Have you ever updated your payment info? Share your tips with us in the comments below. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.